Dear students, in the last section we have seen the problems on HCF. Today we will see problems on LCM as well as problems on HCF and LCM of fractions. So the first problem is find the LCM of 2 square 3 cube into 5 7 square. This is first number. 2 cube 3 square into 5 square into 7 raised to 4. 2 into 3 5 cube into 7 into 11. So what we have to do here, we have to take the highest powers of the prime factors and we have to take the highest factors of all the prime factors. So here the prime factors are 2 3 5 7 and 11. So the highest factors are 2 cube 3 cube 5 cube 7 raised to 4 and 11. So your LCM is product of this numbers. Okay, second problem is find the LCM of 72 108 and 2100. So the factors of the 72 108 and 2100 is like this. 72 is 2 cube into 3 square, 108 is 3 cube into 2 square, 2100 is 2 square 5 into 5 square into 3 into 7. So we have to take all the prime factors and highest power of the prime factors. So it is 37800. Next problem is find the LCM of 16 24 36 and 54. This is one of the method in which we are obtaining the factors of all number together. Okay, so these numbers are 16 24 36 and 24. So all these numbers are divisible by 2. So 2 8 the 16, 2 12 the 24, 18 to the 36, 27 to the 27. Again this 8 12 and 18 is divisible by 2, but 27 is not. So we can put this 27 as it is in the next step. Okay, so likewise we have to do the factors, and the last factors are 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 3. Okay, so this is the LCM of this factor. So again this is the easy method. Then next problem is problem on HCF and LCM of fraction. So find the HCF and LCM of 2 by 3, 8 by 9, 16 by 81 and 10 by 27. So as we have seen the formula of HCF and LCM of fraction. So HCF of fraction is HCF of numerator divided by LCM of denominator. So HCF of numerator is, the numerators are 2, 8, 16 and 10. So the HCF of these numbers is 2, because 2 is the factor by which we can divide this all the numbers. Then LCM is as we have seen in the lectures also, the LCM of these numbers are 80 and 81. We have to take the highest number for LCM and we have to take the lowest number for HCF and check whether we can divide this number by this HCF, and we can divide whether this highest number is the multiple of all the numbers. Okay, so the HCF of the given fraction is 2 by 81. Then next is LCM of given fraction. So LCM of given fraction means the LCM of numerator divided by HCF of denominator. So LCM of this numerator is, the highest number is 16, but this 16 is not divisible by 10. So 16 to the 32 is also not divisible by all these numbers. 60, these are 48, 16 5 is 80. So this 80 is divisible by all these numbers. So LCM of these numerators are 80 and HCF of these denominators are 3. So the LCM of this fraction is 80 by 3. This example, two numbers are in the ratio 15 to 11. So if their HCF is 13, find the numbers. Okay, for example we will assume these numbers as 15x and 11x, and the HCF of this number is 13. So we can multiply this 15 by 13 and 11 by 13. So the numbers are 195 and 143. Then the next example is the HCF of two numbers is 11 and their LCM is 693. We have given the HCF of the two numbers and LCM, and one of the number is 77. So find the others. So as we know, the formula of this is the product of two numbers is equal to product of their HCF and LCM. Product of two number is equal to product of HCF into LCM. So by this formula, HCF is 11, LCM is 693, and one of the number is 77. So the another number is 99. See this example. Find the largest number of 4 digit exactly divisible by 12, 15, 18 and 27. So as we know, the largest 4 digit number is 9999. Okay, so first we will find out the LCM of these 4 numbers. So the LCM of these 4 numbers are 540. So what we have to do now? We have to divide this 999 by 540. If we divide this 99 by 540, the remainder is 279. So the largest number or the required number is 999 minus 279. So it is 9720. Okay. Then this is another problem. Arrange the fractions 17 by 18, 31 by 36, 43 by 45 and 59 by 16 ascending order. If we want to arrange these fractions in ascending order, what we have to do? We have to make the denominator same. So for that purpose, we have to find out the LCM of this 18, 36, 45 and 16. So the LCM of these numbers are 180. Okay. So if we want to make the denominator of this first fraction 180, then we have to multiply this denominator by 10 and we have to multiply numerator by 10. So it is 170 by 180. For the second fraction it is 155 by 180. Third is 172 by 180 and fourth is 177 by 180. So we have to arrange this number in ascending. So first is 155, then 170, then 172, then 177. So the ascending order fractions are this: 31 by 36, 17 by 18. It is less than 43 by 45 and 59 by 60. Okay. In the next section, we will see the problems on ages. Okay.